Hi guys, what's up? So today we are going to film a video for you, which is part 2 of yoga without my sisters. Shame in it, yeah. You will miss it for sure. Been away for a while. Just take a minute and look at all these photos I took. They'll be gone in like, what, 1 minute? We've had school, and yeah, that's my excuse. And then also, I hurt my ankle. Here. I didn't hurt it. It's swollen. Yeah, it was swollen. Like, now it's like, a bit more swollen. So I got this little white thing to keep it in place. I don't know what else. We have at least 12, 13 ones, whether or not you see it, whether or not you get it in a quick flash, and you will get that quite a lot now. Really so we're just going to keep carrying on. Ignoring that loud beep sound, ignoring anything else around us. We are just going to do with yoga positions, couple version. Not see our heads, but that doesn't matter.
Make hands.
Oh my god, my butt's down in the air.
That was easy.
Does that count? I'm doing it. Put one leg over.
I did, but I was waiting for you.
Oh.
I'm excited. Which shoe is it? 1 and 6.
Okay, we'll just do that one instead. Okay, good. One leg in the air. We're doing it! Yay! Look at her up. Come on, let's go.
What? So no, this is not going to work.
We can do a try.
Why don't we need a front version?
Oh.
It's totally late. Yeah. I want to hurt you.
Aww, me and my buddy. Me and my only friend.
Let me try and do it with you. I want to hurt your foot.
You're a good boy. You're a good boy. Yeah. No, you gotta do my belly, not my leg.
What?
Yes, yeah. Ready?
Are you doing it?
No. We tried. Wait.
Oh, I'm going to have to have one.
No, right? Not very nice, is it? No, actually that.
Nailed it. Right, hold on.
You gotta get them chins up, because you know that's what he has.
How do I do it?
You went from
Alright, got the strength. Well, I did it.
This looks like I'm just trying to help you get back. Come on, buddy.
Fuck on me.
Yep. Wait, how am I doing this?
Exactly, it's tricky.
Oh, we got one cat now. That's romantic, isn't it? My cat's like reach. No, it's can't reach us.
Are you doing it?
Yeah.
Wow.
I got sound in my toe.
Okay, you get that.
there you go. There you go, do it. Ready, set, reload. I don't know how your legs are. Okay, let me just go on your back. Ready, ready. Oh, crap. That was lovely. Go on.
Going.
Yeah, we'll just sit like this. You're going across me. You know if I'm a blanket and you're laying on your back. That's that.
Well, after you lay, and then all I'm going, and then you start cutting it, and then I have a, oh, I've got some extra.
Making it up, yeah. There you go. You go.
Ow. Nailed it. What's up with my legs, buddy?
Hey, why don't you come this side, please? Do this, and then try and roll it.
Oh, yeah.
I don't know if that's it. I mean, it's an idea for some long person. Yeah, look, it's kind of how it goes. Okay. That's how I get out. Not with another person. You're not supposed to lay like that, you're meant to do this. Make you like a oh, that was good. Put your legs out. I would, but I can't find it. Ready? I can't get off. Oh, I'm stuck. Sarah, who do you want to be? You're going to be both which way? Who wants to go first?
You go first, because then I'll get an idea of how to do it. Okay, so what do I do? Oh,
It's out that way. You know you're going to have to be my balance, right? So if my feet go over. What do I do?
Are you doing it? Are you doing
I
it?
think so.
You got this. Are you thinking here?
Damn it! They were like this. Yes, no, yeah. I actually think this counts as young because I don't think a lot of people do this position. Look my way. Just so my top doesn't go up, and if I ever need to edit that out. Oh, looking at her. That's good. Alright. Right, ready? Okay, you lean back on me. You must lean forward. This is such a change. Oh. Hold up. No.
Do we just grab your legs? Kick over or grab them?
Woo, the grass is slippy. Ready, set, action! Right. Sorry. Right, remember your right leg's going up. That's the second. Ready?